Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add and edit shapes in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this video will guide you through the basics and beyond. Let's get started. So shapes are the building blocks of any design, and Figma makes it easy to create and customize them. Let's open a new file in Figma to get started. So first, let's explore the basic shapes you can create in Figma. In the toolbar at the top, as you can see, you'll find here the shape tools. So here, you will see the different options available, which is the rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star, place images, and video. Now let's start with the rectangle tool. So we're going to click on the rectangle icon, then click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle, just like this. And then here, you can hold the shift key while dragging to create a perfect square. Once you've done here, let's create and add an ellipse. Again, add the ellipse tool on the shape options, and then click and drag on the canvas. Now hold the shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. There you have it. And then you can also add a line. Again, select the line tool, and then click and drag on the canvas to draw a line. You can hold the shift key to constrain the line to 45-degree increments. Once you've added the shape, you can customize it using the Properties panel on the right-hand panel. So let's look at some of the customization options. To change the color of a shape, select the shape. And then here you can basically go to Fill section in the color box to open the color picker and choose the color you want. You can also adjust the opacity right over here. Next, you can basically add a stroke to your shape by enabling this stroke option. You can find the stroke right over here. So by enabling the stroke option, you can adjust the stroke width, color, the style using the options provided. You can also add dash lines by specifying the dash pattern. Now for more advanced shape editing, you can use the pen tool. This tool allows you to create custom shapes by adding and editing anchor points. So select the pen tool from the toolbar, click on the canvas to add anchor points, and create a custom shape. To close the shape, click on the first anchor point you created. Now to edit a custom shape, use the Move tool to select the shape and then click on the individual anchor points to move them. You can also adjust the handles to refine curves. Now here, once you've done using this Move tool, we can now use the Alignment tool. Now using the Alignment tools in the toolbar to align your shapes, you can align them to the left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. Figma also offers Boolean operations to combine shapes in different ways. You can unite, subtract, intersect, and exclude shapes to create complex designs. And once you're happy with your shapes, you might want to export them. So select the shapes you want to export, then go to Properties panel on the right side and click on Export button. Choose your desired format and settings, then click Export. And that's it. You've learned how to add and edit shapes in Figma. So mastering these tools will give you a solid foundation for creating amazing designs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.